Hello guys, today as you asked me for vegan chocolate cake, last week we make vanilla chocolate cake vegan. So today we have very easy, tasty, through 4 or 5 minutes maximum and your cake will be ready. So please, if this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younis. I am pastry champion of Africa 2011. Also corporate pastry chef for Norwegian Cruise Line. Please let us know, keep comment. If you like the video, make share to be continue. First of all, I need orange juice, but before I take the juice, I take zest from the skin, and which we can preserve for many cake, for orange cake, for many recipe you can add it, and then you use the juice. All we need is very simple recipe: 100 gram normal sugar, 70 milli oil, vegetable oil, 100 gram flour, 15 gram cacao, 5 gram baking powder, 120 milli orange juice, or you can use Sprite, or you can use passion puree or raspberry puree, whatever you like. And then 2 gram Nescafe, which enhances the flavor of the chocolate. Always cacao and Nescafe make a good combination for taste. In beginning, we added the oil, sugar, and we mix it for 1-2 minutes, just to emulsify. In the same time, we put all dry ingredients together. Then I will leave in description box below all the recipe. Here sugar and oil. After that I added orange juice, as I said, 120 milli, so you can replace it with water, mango, raspberry, passion, whatever you name it. And also if you use 7-Up or Sprite, it will be fantastic. Then we added the dry ingredients. We keep continue whisking all until emulsify the all ingredients together. It takes maximum 3 minutes and your cake will be ready. These ingredients enough for 15 centimeter cake ring. So if you need to make it double size, you just double the recipe. All recipe by gram you will find in the description box. That's it. It's 15 centimeter. And then we shake it to take all bubbles up. So we make sure that all bubbles go up so the cakes raise the same balance. We bake 175 degree, almost 35 to 45 minutes. From 35 to 45 minutes, your cake will be ready. All you need to check, you put just a skewer or toothpicks inside the cake before you take out of the oven to make sure it's cooked. After 40 minutes, exactly, this cake take 40 minutes, you have your fantastic chocolate cake. You can eat it like that. You can put sugar powder on top, or you can fill it vegan ganache or chocolate vegan, whatever you like. And this cake you will always remember. Again, thank you to being in my channel. Please make subscribe for my channel, make share, and most important, your comment is help us to grow. Have a beautiful day, guys.